Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to easily add date and time to your MS Excel file. Okay, so let's try to open the MS Excel file. Okay, suppose this is your MS Excel file and here you want to insert your current date and time. Okay, suppose if today's date is January 15th and the year is 2023 and the time is around evening around 5:30 means. So what you will do is like if the date is 15 January 2023, you will have to enter like this. Okay. So instead of this, if you want the current date and time means there is a shortcut like which you can do it. So for date, what you can do is like you can just press Control semicolon in your keyboard. That will enter the current date. And if you press Control Shift semicolon, that will enter that will get your current time. Okay, so now the current date is 20th of August 2024 and the current time is afternoon 2:16 p.m. Okay, so this date is in 24 hours format, that's why it's showing like this. Okay, so this is the shortcut way where you can enter your where you can add your current date and time in MS Excel. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.